My fans have been working tirelessly all day cleaning up the vineyard. Thanks to all those people who have watched my videos. It's too dirty now to show myself in this video. I will not gonna show myself in this video though when I'm so dirty. Yeah, I've been putting in the work, you know. It's not easy, but Kojak like to try. Do not want to give no one trouble and sit on the sidewalk and beg, you know. That's not my game. Got all these. You know what these are? Cecile. You know what these are? How these are gonna do with these if God's give me the strength and energy. I know Casey don't know what I'm gonna do with these. Sage doesn't know what I will be doing with these if God give me the strength and energy. Maybe Myla might know. Stew Beef don't know. Stone Breeze in Ghana don't have any idea. DJ King Yellowman, no, you don't know my brother. Well, see, putting in the work. It's not easy all over there, so it's bush. So more time will be taking my time, stage by stage, and so that I can get out, you know, clean up back by the spring. I know one lady, or maybe two ladies would help me. Like, the beliefs they would definitely help me if they have all a nice light machine. Any lady would help me to clean up some of this grass. You can leave a comment to see if any woman out there really with that challenge, all them type of work here. Yes. All these cocoa and stuff to replant, you know. Some of these pine are gonna replant, some of them, you know. So I have to remove some from some spot. See it? I've been putting in the work. But I sit there. Me alone been doing all these. Welcome to my channel. Big up all of the new subscribers. Some from Jamaica. We have from India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, and various other places. USA, Africa, the Caribbean, Europe also, Australia, Canada. While working right at that spot, I came upon a pumpkin. I didn't know my pumpkin tree did have a pumpkin. The pumpkin tree dried down, you know, but luckily I was cleaning up X mark the spot right over there. I'm gonna show you how to take up with the pumpkin already. I'm gonna show you the pumpkin. Sometime while working, you discover stuff, so you have to go through and do some surgical cleaning in the land, and then God reward you. Please take a look at my fire now, my fan. I'm gonna cook now. I'm getting hungry. No more hard work for today in the bush. So look at the pumpkin, sit there. The vine dry off. So I'm gonna cook a piece of it. I was planting few pumpkin seed. You see the color pretty, man. Wow, see there. Look at Cecile, Casey and all the other fans. See it? Might just cook a piece of it. Now with some renter here, man. Some other stuff, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna make sure I peel something to cook, because while a man is working very hard, got to eat some food. So do leave a comment, my fan. I wash the dirty hand now and cook and take a little rest. So remember to leave a comment, and if you are new, special welcome. We got some new subscribers. We need now at least 8 more to bring it up even to 20. We're on 12, you know. So we get 8 more new subscribers over this Saturday, Friday, Saturday. We'll level it up to 20, then we're looking at 30. So we're doing it small stages, you know. Bless up and big up. One love, Coach Jack said that.